Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is one of 3 parts. It's focusing on my foundation that I wear right now, what are my favorite foundations to wear, how I do it, what I do. So if you want to know about the foundation that I have on right now, stay tuned.
Let's get started. I always like to start off with my eyebrows, which I'm doing here. First, I'm going to apply Urban Decay's Optical Illusion Primer. Lately, my skin has been kind of doing something weird in these winter months, and this primer helps my foundation from cracking and pretty much sweating off. To mix my foundations together, I use Estee Lauder Double and I mix it with Cover FX Power Play Foundation. When I mix them together, they just provide the right amount of coverage for me. Personally, it's not too heavy, but it's not too thin, and it lasts all day long. I start with my foundation brush and I put the Estee Lauder on first. There's no simple trick to it. I am super fancy and I like to put the Cover FX directly on top of the Estee Lauder foundation. Once you have it on the brush, you're going to rub it all over your face. When you're doing this, the purpose is not to rub it into your skin, but just to make sure you have it evenly spread out all over your face. Next, the big key we're going to use is our beauty blender. Not another brand of a sponge, but an actual beauty blender. And make sure you wet it before using. The key here is to blot it into your skin, not rub it all over like it's a towel or a sponge, but you are literally blotting your foundation into your skin. Keep blotting, and once you no longer have paint strokes all over your face, you are done. If you are a foundation wearer, this can be your look, and to keep it in place, you can spray it with Urban Decay's All Nighter Spray or any other setting spray that you may like. Don't forget to check out part 2 if you want to learn to highlight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.